Semiconductor package engineering is a specialized field within electronics and materials science focused on the design, development, and production of semiconductor packages. These packages are essential components in electronics, providing mechanical, thermal, and electrical support for semiconductor devices like microchips and transistors. A package engineer's primary role is to ensure the integrity and performance of these packages, making them crucial in developing electronic products, from smartphones to computers and automotive electronics. The job of a semiconductor package engineer involves a variety of tasks. They design the physical package that encases the semiconductor, ensuring it meets specifications for size, weight, and thermal properties. It involves working closely with other engineers to understand the electrical requirements and ensure compatibility with the semiconductor device. They also develop new packaging materials and processes, conduct reliability testing, and troubleshoot any issues that arise during the manufacturing process. Technical skills required for a semiconductor package engineer are diverse. They must have a strong foundation in materials and mechanical science, as they often work with various packaging materials such as silicon, plastic, and ceramics. Electrical engineering knowledge is also crucial, as they must understand the electrical functionality of the semiconductor devices they are packaging. Additionally, they should be proficient in computer-aided design, CAD, software for designing package layouts and simulation tools for analyzing thermal and mechanical stresses. Familiarity with semiconductor fabrication processes and an understanding of quality control and reliability testing are also essential. The educational qualifications for a semiconductor package engineer typically include a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, materials science, mechanical engineering, or a related field. Some positions may require a master's degree or specialized training in semiconductor packaging. Continuous learning is also a vital aspect of this career, as the field is rapidly evolving with new technologies and materials. Professionals often attend workshops, seminars, and conferences to stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in semiconductor packaging. Career options for semiconductor package engineers are broad and promising. They can work in various industries, including consumer electronics, automotive, aerospace, and telecommunications. Opportunities exist in research and development, where engineers can innovate new packaging solutions, as well as in production and quality assurance roles. As technology advances, the demand for skilled package engineers will grow, offering a challenging and rewarding career path for individuals with the right blend of technical expertise and creativity.